What's up guys, found another very unique folding knife. Let's see what this one is all about. Let's do unboxing close up. Okay, boom. Very nice box over here. Wow. I like the holder. Looks like a pocket knife. We need to zoom in on it. Every time I buy stuff online, I don't know what to expect. But wow, check this out. This is why I think this is so unique. To pull this knife out, you see, by pulling it right here, it won't open. Something is holding it inside of it. To unfold this knife, you have to press this button and release it, then you can open it. How cool is that? And again, it's hold it in place. You have to press the button and close it. How weird is this? This is so unique. I really like this carbon fiber, shiny on both sides, right here too. And it's just very unique clamp, and by pressing this it will open it. By pressing this it's kind of stiff. I don't think it will kick out. I guess you can just press it. Nope. Yeah, kind of, but it bounced back. It didn't really get locked. Okay, one more time, press it. Definitely not a kicker, but definitely pretty easy to open it like this with one hand and close it like that. There you go. Probably two-hand opener for sure, because I don't want to flick it and let it fly by mistake, slip it out of my hands, because it's not so easy to open it. As you can see, it doesn't flick out that easy. I mean, it's alright. This is more like a box knife. Very small, but really thick blade. It sits on there super good. Very unique. What do you guys think? One more time, close up. You see, you just press right here and it will pull up a knife. And then boom, do you see it clicked into here? Whenever you open it all the way, you see it click back in. Very ow, sharp. Very sharp and very unique mechanism. Love it. And again, it's locked, it's not going to open. Well, every time I think that's it, this has got to be our last very unique mechanism folding knife, and I keep finding more. So I have a reason to believe there's going to be quite a lot of them because of that. So make sure, if you know some of the very unique folding knives, comment below the name of them. I research them, see if I can buy them, and sometimes a lot of them are sold out, so it would be nice for me to build up a list, constantly look, see if there's on eBay pop up a very unique folding knife that I have not put to the test. So send me your suggestions and comment below. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.